Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have got something really exciting. We are unboxing and reviewing the brand new COROS Pod 2 and the COROS Heart Rate Monitor. These are some of the latest innovations from COROS. First up, we have the COROS Pod 2. This little device is designed to take your running matrix to the next level. Let's get this out of the box. The COROS Pod 2 measures your running power, form, stride length, and even vertical oscillations. Plus, it's waterproof and it has a battery life up to 28 hours on a single charge. We have the Pod 2 itself. It is incredibly lightweight, just 6 grams, which is perfect for runners. Look at how sleek this is. The Pod 2 clips into your shoe and syncs with the COROS app to provide real-time data on your running performance. Inside the box you will also find a charging cable and a user manual. And finally, a little surprise, a nice suitcase. Attaching the Pod 2 is super simple. Just clip it into your shoe and you are good to go. It stays secure, so you don't have to worry about it falling off during your run. Next up, we have the COROS Heart Rate Monitor. Let's open this box and see what is inside. This heart rate monitor is designed for accuracy and comfort. It uses advanced optical sensors to provide precise heart rate data during your run or workouts. Here we have the heart rate monitor, the adjustable strap and charging cable, and finally the user manual. The strap is made of a comfortable, stretchy material that's adjustable to fit any size. And the monitor itself is lightweight and slim, so you will hardly notice while you're running. The battery is up to 30 hours on a single charge. Now let's put both devices to the test. Let's go for a run with the COROS Pod 2 on my shoe and the heart rate monitor on my arm. Let's see how they perform.